From the moment we are born, people start shaping our identity. Parents give us names. Society gives us roles. Teachers give us labels. Friends give us opinions. But deep inside, the question still remains, who am I? Am I just a name? A student? A worker? A son or daughter? Or is there something more? Self-discovery is the process of looking beyond these labels to understand the real person inside. It's not something we find in one day. It's a journey. And like every journey, it starts with one step: awareness. To begin the journey of self-discovery, ask simple questions. What do I truly enjoy? What makes me feel alive? What values are important to me? What do I fear? What do I dream about? Sometimes the answers are not easy. Sometimes we realize we've been living someone else's dream. We follow the crowd. We listen to what others say. We try to fit in. But self-discovery means breaking away from that. It means listening to your own voice. This journey takes time. It takes honesty. And it takes courage. It may come through quiet reflection. It may come through travel, or through books, failures, relationships, and even pain. Every experience teaches us something about who we are, if we're willing to pay attention. And here's the truth. Who we are is not a fixed idea. It's always changing, growing, evolving. We are not born knowing ourselves. We become ourselves, step by step. The journey to self-discovery is not about finding a final answer. It's about learning, unlearning, and growing. It's about becoming the person we were always meant to be, not the one others expect us to be. So ask yourself today, not who the world says you are, but who you feel you are becoming. That answer is your beginning. The journey starts now.